Hey, this video is part of Vibe Coding Olympics video series. If you have not seen the main video yet, please go and watch it first. It contains the context for what this video is about. Now that you're back from the original video, that means that you want to see how RooCode performed. Well, here is the unedited raw footage in real time, first shot of how RooCode performed at Vibe Code Olympics. And I will add a couple of comments at the end. Let's go. Time for RooCode. RooCode, please don't be so bad. Open folder. I need a new folder called RooCode. Open it. RooCode. Okay, we will need already to put an action here. We created a folder. Let's set it up. Let's see. We have now we want anthropic model. Wonder sonnet. Oh my god, I don't have time for all of this settings. So RooCode key. Add it here. Save. Done. What can we do? Let's auto approve. Not sure, retries. And I'm not sure which model I'm using. I'm new to RooCode. But let's begin. Let's begin with RooCode. Again, let's give it this. Same prompt. We see the context for the model. Okay. While it happens, let's copy the usual things that we count on. Surprising. Klein was the model that failed. My God. Okay, so we had second action to start the generation. So it does things. Creates a new file, JavaScript. It did create HTML already. Not bad. And we are going auto approve. So far, so good. It also opens the browser. And we see the money. We already spent 11 cents. Well, we know where we are going. I mean, Roo was a fork of Klein. So I guess we can... it's trying to read the documentation. It's going to fail. Same as Klein. It's going to probably... Yeah, it makes a wrong decision again around about GPT image 1. It says that it doesn't exist. He probably meant something about DALL-E 3, which I didn't. Okay, the next prompt will be open browser. Create README. We're 23 cents in. Well, I guess the whole amount of money spent on all of the models will be 1 or 2 coffees. Funny as hell. Okay, it's actually created something that looks kind of working, but image 1 may fail. Actually, no. Did it end up actually getting documentation? I see it knows this. Run command to open index 1. That's good. I didn't need to do it. I mean, I still needed to push the button, but it feels like it failed. Okay, let's give it and see what happens. Let's give it the Opening. What? I meant my browser. Okay. We have 40 cents in. It feels like RooCode is even worse in spending tokens. We'll see, but okay, at least it opened. No default. No default prompt. And we need the key. I hope it saves it, because if not, oops. It does have loading indicators. Design, I would probably say plus. We didn't need to do 3-column. It did got 2 images. I will be super surprised if it nails from the first. It did. But is it? Is it actually? Let's try again. Let's go to the network. What is it generating? So there are 3 images. I want to see which models and payload. Payload DALI 3, DALI 3, DALI 3. They all are DALI 3. There is no DALI 2. Oh no, model is DALI 2, DALI 3, and DALI 3. Okay, so it succeeded because it generated the wrong model. Okay, let's be diligent and say that one of the models is, wait, where is my original? Let's say that there is DALI 3 HD. Okay. What else can you say about what it did? It's not password protected. I don't know, Klein and Drew for now are worst. Expensive, a little bit glitchy, and the results are worse. Okay, so it did something. Let's refresh. Let's give it again the prompt. Give it the key. Did need to update that we added asked additional instruction. Okay. Can give it another error. Start working on it. Gonna get this. It generates correct image. Yep, model is right. But we expect one more error, or maybe more. We'll see. Well, it's getting better. I mean, Klein outright failed. Okay, failed to load. Why did it fail to load when it actually did load? Well, let's say that this was the. Let's give it a little bit more info. Well, we didn't give an info to other models, so all we can copy is this. It needs to improve how it's reporting errors for it to succeed. Let's try once. We need to update the counter to 7. It does feel faster though. I mean rule in comparison to Klein. Still, probably the fastest was probably Cloud Code and Desktop Commander with Cloud Desktop. Okay, that's something we need to try again. I don't expect much though, because it didn't have a good error message I could give it. I think it worked. Didn't succeed. Was that the last one? It reverted. It's not using yet. What? It reverted. Went back to not using image one. Holy moly. Okay, guys, I'm giving up. It was a long session and RooCode failed. It did require less sections to fail, but it failed. How much money did it eat? Well, at least at 57 cents, I think. We need to check. I don't trust it a little bit. Limit. Okay, that is approximately correct. And RooCode costs 60 cents. It doesn't work. Does have loading indicators. I would probably put this minus plus. Doesn't have footer. Doesn't that right? Yep. Ability to save image no, uses local storage no, shows revised prompt no, show loading time no, created a screenshot for readme no, create license files yes, publish the page no, got documentations no, added default prompt no. So that's where we are. RooCode was better than Klein, but it also failed. Well, now we saw how it performed. It failed to finish. It could be due to me not being an expert in RooCode, or because RooCode is actually tuned for a different kind of work than vibe coding. Basically, it went back and forth, reverting changes I asked and failed to do exactly what I asked multiple times. And it also managed to spend 60 cents on that. So I decided to stop. It still probably performed better than Klein, but otherwise it was not good, at least not for this. Maybe you are an expert in RooCode and you know how to make it work with this kind of flow. If so, please leave comments, or better, even record your own video, and I will link to that. But otherwise, that's how RooCode performed. I will see if in the future I can test it with some kind of flows where it performs better. I did expect better. People like it. That is what I know. Yeah, that's it for this video. If you found this valuable, like, subscribe, comment, share. This helps the video. And thank you for your support, and see you next time.